Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a kitchen gadget that promises to revolutionize your cooking experience, the GreenPan 6-in-1 multifunction removable plate indoor grill and electric griddle. We found this product online and added the link in the description, so you can check the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what makes the GreenPan 6-in-1 grill such an exciting addition to your kitchen. This versatile appliance is designed to be your one-stop solution for a variety of cooking methods. With 6 functions including a contact grill, contact griddle, panini press, mixed grill/griddle, open grill, and open griddle, it essentially serves as a full short-order kitchen right on your countertop. Whether you're a seasoned chef or just starting out, this grill has something to offer everyone. One of the standout features of the GreenPan grill is its thermal involved ceramic nonstick coating. This isn't your average nonstick surface, it's specially designed to endure the demands of modern cooking. The diamond-infused ceramic is not only tough and durable but also ensures that your meals are healthier by eliminating the harmful chemicals often found in traditional nonstick coatings. You'll be pleased to know that it's completely toxin-free, manufactured without PFAS, PFOA, lead, or cadmium. The design of this grill is also noteworthy. It comes with reversible plates, allowing you to easily switch between grilling and griddling, depending on what you're in the mood for. Plus, the lay-flat design opens up the grill and griddle for extra cooking space, which is perfect for those larger meals or when you're entertaining guests. What I love most about the GreenPan grill is the control it offers. You can adjust the heat on the top and bottom plates individually or set them to heat simultaneously, which is fantastic for achieving that perfect sear on your meats or veggies. The cover height is adjustable as well, automatically accommodating the thickness of your food, ensuring maximum contact for even cooking. Cleanup is often a hassle with cooking appliances, but GreenPan has made this easy with a removable drip tray that collects grease, making the cleaning process a breeze. The non-stick plates wipe clean effortlessly even after cooking caramelized sauces and are dishwasher safe, making post-meal cleanup as simple as possible. So, who is this product suitable for? If you're someone who loves to cook but may not have the space for several different appliances, this grill is ideal for you. It's perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone looking to simplify their cooking process without sacrificing versatility. Busy families, meal preppers, and even those who enjoy hosting dinner parties will find this grill to be a valuable addition to their kitchen arsenal. Practical use cases for the GreenPan grill are endless. Imagine whipping up a delicious breakfast with pancakes on one side and crispy bacon on the other, or grilling a variety of vegetables alongside your favorite protein for a hearty dinner. It's also great for making perfectly pressed paninis or quesadillas for a quick lunch. The options are limited only by your imagination. In summary, the GreenPan 6-in-1 grill is a multifunctional kitchen tool that combines innovation, versatility, and health-conscious design. Whether you're grilling, griddling, or pressing, this appliance is designed to make your cooking experience enjoyable and efficient. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.